Willacy County in deep South Texas until 11:00 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 8:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicates thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Harville, Lynn, San Manuel, Fayetteville, LaSara, Harville Elementary, Red Gate, Edinburgh, South Texas International Airport, Edinburgh, South Texas International Airport, LaSara Elementary School, Jose Borrego Middle School, Monte Alto, Doolittle, McAllen, Harville Reservoir, and Stockholm. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. The